Hello everyone, today I want to talk about an incredible vegetable that often goes unnoticed. Cauliflower. This humble vegetable is not just a side dish, it's a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits. Here are 8 reasons why cauliflower deserves a spot on your plate. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Cauliflower is packed with vitamin C, K, and B6, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients support overall health and keep your body functioning at its best. Number 2. Supports brain health. This vegetable contains choline, an essential nutrient that helps with memory, learning, and brain development. It's especially beneficial for children and older adults. Number 3. Aids in digestion. Cauliflower is high in fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. Number 4. Boosts immunity. With its high vitamin C content, cauliflower strengthens the immune system, helping your body fight off illnesses and infections. Number 5. Supports heart health. Cauliflower contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood circulation and lowering bad cholesterol. Number 6. Helps with weight management. If you are looking to maintain or lose weight, cauliflower is a great choice. It's low in calories and in fiber, making you feel full while keeping your calorie intake in check. Number 7. May reduce cancer risk. Cauliflower belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, which contains compound known to help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast, lung, and colon cancer. Number 8. A great low-carb alternative. For those following a low-carb or keto diet, cauliflower is a fantastic substitute for high-carb foods. It can be used to make cauliflower rice, pizza crust, or even mashed cauliflower as a healthier alternative to mashed potatoes, and I will be posting a lot of these healthy recipes in my next videos. So to conclude, cauliflower is not just another vegetable, it's a superfood that benefits your brain, heart, immune system, and overall health. Whether you enjoy it roasted, steamed, or blended into soups, adding cauliflower to your diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your well-being. So next time you see cauliflower at the store, don't overlook it. Embrace its power and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer. Now I am going to share a healthy, delicious, and simple recipe featuring cauliflower. For this, you will need a small cauliflower cut into florets. You will also need 2 cups of gram or chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon each of minced ginger and garlic. Oil for frying, and water to combine all the ingredients. First of all, you mix water into the ground floor and combine both the ingredients. Now add baking soda, salt, minced garlic and ginger. Mix it nicely until all the ingredients are properly combined together. Then add all the spices and again stir to combine all the ingredients. Properly combined, this is the consistency that we want. And now add the florets. Heat the oil in the frying pan and fry these florets until they are medium brown from all sides. Serve with ketchup or chutney and enjoy.